There may be a lot of difficulties that we face in our daily lives, but when it comes to traveling to China, banking and shopping should not be an extra worry because of how easy China has made it for us with its step-by-step processes. Tuck, tick, tock. Now we're going to the metro station. There are no conductors here. This is the machine where we can select our desired destination, where payments are just one click away through their online WeChat or Alipay payment methods that connects directly to our bank account. As soon as you pay, a card will be provided that will be your pass throughout your journey until you reach your destination. A very convenient and reliable fact about China's metro system is that they are always on time. Each station will take 90 seconds to reach. Another very interesting concept in China is the QR codes. They are literally everywhere. Whether you are traveling, whether banking, or shopping, you don't need to wait in queues and no need for cash. All you need is a QR code which you can scan with your Alipay or WeChat account, pay, and move on literally in just